issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wood County, northwestern Portage County until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles north of Wisconsin Rapids, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stevens Point and Whiting around 4:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Cherry, Blinker Jordan, Stockton, Millador, Park Ridge, Dewey Marsh Wildlife Area, Junction City, and Plover. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 o'clock p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Portage and Wood.
The current time is